Have you ever been thinking of opening a YouTube channel? And the most important thing is making an introductory video because people tend to do that most especially. And 2021 December, I decided to open my own YouTube channel, and this was my intro. So hi guys, my name is Ifnaya. You can also call me Ugest. Anyone is acceptable. So I'm here today for a quick little short introduction. So this is just the first video I'm uploading on my YouTube channel. I just opened it new video. Yeah, it was so lame. I know you said it's so lame, it's so I get it, I understand. It wasn't that interesting because look at the views I just got in the video. Like it's so little, it's so small. And it's so annoying. And today I'm going to show it to you guys tips I wish I knew before making this kind of intro. And once again, my name is Ifnaya Nasi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This channel will do a lot of things there, so I'd like to check out my playlist and see if you're interested. And then please make sure you subscribe. As far as you're watching this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will really appreciate that. So let's get into the video. First thing to do is make the intro interesting. People tend to know how your video is going to be like if the intro of the video is so interesting. I think you should be able to make your video very interesting like this one. Hi! Have you ever been thinking about opening a YouTube channel? Because me, I just opened mine today, and if you are thinking about this, is the sign that you should do so this year because I just did mine. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ifnaya Nesi. I did, for example, if when I did this in my first video, I get much more views than this that I got because this is making me very angry. The second one is do not say I've always wanted to have a YouTube channel. Like this is what most of YouTubers start with. I've always dreamt of starting a YouTube channel. I've always dreamt of everybody on YouTube has dreamt of starting a YouTube channel once or twice in their life. So you don't have to tell us that you've always dreamt about starting a YouTube channel. Rather you can tell us this. I've been watching so many YouTubes like the Mr. Beast, the many YouTube videos, many YouTube channels, and I think I'll be able to do this. And today I decided to open this my YouTube channel, and this is my introductory video. Or rather, you can replace it with. I've always been on this app, and I like this is the right time for me to open a YouTube channel that will, you know. See another thing. Don't tell us that you've always dreamt of doing a YouTube channel, and so you don't have to like repeat it again and tell us we already know. The third one is state your niche. This is not a compulsory something, but people that have already planned out their niche, like those that want to be cooking on their channel, you can do that. You can tell us your niche. But like me, I'm still like doing anything I can do, anything I'm able to do, whether music, whether cooking videos, talks like this. I'm still like putting everything together. So then I'll know which one that like works for me most, and then I'll now narrow it down to that one because I saw one interview that Mr. Beast did that he said that YouTube algorithm has made it easy for people that even if you don't have a niche, you can just like post your video and YouTube will send it to the audience that needs that video. So it's kind of easier for us that don't have a niche. But if you've already planned your niche, like you want to be cooking on YouTube, you can just start and just tell people what you are doing on your YouTube channel, and that also will bring more audience. If you are here or if you've watched up to this place, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be happy because I want to get 1K this year, and I know I can do it with you guys because I cannot do it alone. So make sure you subscribe. Then the last but not the least is telling us the day you'll be posting. Please, it's not a must though. It's not a must actually because you can not tell us. You can just choose not to tell us the day you'll be posting. But I advise you tell us because it will make us anticipate more and subscribe. It will even make us subscribe to your channel. So like me, I post on Tuesdays, so you can, anticipate on every Tuesday. Okay, I'm going to watch Nana's video on Tuesdays. So when you remember it, it generates more dopamine in your brain because mostly my videos are more interesting and educative. So on my school vlogs that I will be starting next week. So this is the end of my video, and if you've reached here, you can actually subscribe. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you for my classmates that have been supporting me on a low and on a high. I really appreciate on my previous video. I got a lot of support, a lot of messages telling me many stuff, and I appreciate. Like I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Oh guys. I hope you subscribe.